It's 2 a.m. and I'm gonna make myself a sandwich. Hindi ko na sineset up ng maayos yung camera ngayon. I don't care. Should we change the light? Ayun. Meron pang egg salad. Should I toast? Bread. Andito yung toaster kasi. Should have just done one. Oh no! I was just, what was I doing? Yapping. That's basically what I was doing. This is my attempt at vlogging, guys. Ito na yun. Toast. Can you see what I'm doing? Teka. It's hot! Oh my gosh. Isa lang muna yung gagawin ko. I don't know. Ina-underestimate ko ba yung sarili ko? Or ina-overestimate ko yung sarili ko? I'm gonna get water. Actually, kaya ako gising pa hanggang ngayon is kasi around this time daw, makakauwi yung kuya namin. And di ko alam kung nandyan na siya. I didn't hear anything through my door. Pauwi ka na ba, Pangs? Nandiyan ka na ba? Or maybe ngayon pala siya makakauwi. How am I gonna edit this? This is gonna take so long. Diba? Hindi ko pa ginagawa na tinatamad na ako. I found strawberries. Pero hindi ko siya pagsasabayan, guys. Hindi ko siya pagsasabayan. Don't worry. Meron lang akong gustong itry. Ihalo. Shiitake mushroom sauce with this egg sandwich. Good luck. Okay, inubos ko na siya. Alright. Grabe, walang tigil. Takbo niyan sa utak ko. Alright. Okay. Ayan na nga. Yung mga MC core. Diba? Alright. Stop. Stop. Usog natin siya. Tapos ngayon, lalagyan na natin ng kung ano man to. Shiitake mushroom sauce. Oh, this was a very brave thing to do. It's fine. Kadiri ba siya tingnan? Tinapay lang yon. Good luck talaga. Totoo na to. Ang masasabi ko lang, hindi ko na gagawin yung combination na to kahit kailan. Pero ubusin ko pa rin to. I'm gonna end this ngayon na. Ayoko na. Don't do this at home. Bye.